Whenever we hear the word Christmas, the picture of Lord Jesus attached to a wood frame with iron with a needle comes in our mind, leading to the development of our prayers towards the Almighty. The Christmas day brings smile to the entire world, but behind the happiness there are so many unknown facts regarding the Christmas day which we will have to know, or else we will be prohibited to know the truth. Christmas is an annual festival commemorating the birth of Lord Jesus, observed primarily on December as a religious and cultural celebration among billions of people around the world. A feast central to the Christian liturgical year, it is preceded by the season of Advent or the Nativity fast and initiates the season of Christmastide, which historically in the West lasts 12 days and culminates on 12th night. Christmas Day is a public holiday in many countries, is celebrated religiously by a majority of Christians as well as culturally by many non-Christians and forms an integral part of the holiday season organized around it. Although the month and date of Jesus' birth are unknown, the Church in the early 4th century fixed the date as December 25. This corresponds to the date of the winter solstice on the Roman calendar. It is exactly 9 months after Annunciation on March 25, also the date of the spring equinox. Most Christians celebrate on December 25 in the Gregorian calendar, which has been adopted almost universally in the civil calendars used in countries throughout the world. Christmas does not appear on the lists of festivals given by the early Christian writers Irenaeus and Tertullian. Origen and Arnobius fault the pagans for celebrating birthdays, which suggests that Christmas was not celebrated in their time. Arnobius wrote after AD 297. The chronograph of 354 records that a Christmas celebration took place in Roman in 336, 8 days before the calends of January.